It takes a village to educate a child. This timeless proverb highlights the fundamental role of community, relationships, and social interactions in a child's learning journey. Education is not a solitary endeavor but a collaborative process that is enriched by the contributions of family, peers, teachers, and society as a whole. Social influences play a pivotal role in shaping how children and adolescents acquire knowledge, develop skills, and grow into well-rounded individuals. By understanding and applying principles from theories such as social learning theory and sociocultural learning theory, we gain deeper insights into how learning is intrinsically linked to the social environment. Social learning theory, introduced by Bandura, emphasizes that learning occurs through observation, imitation, and modeling. Children and adolescents often learn behaviors, attitudes, and values by observing others, particularly role models within their environment. For example, a child might develop problem-solving skills by watching a parent patiently tackle a challenging task or adopt positive social behaviors by observing a teacher mediate a conflict. Bandura's concept of reciprocal determinism also explains how a learner's behavior, environment, and personal factors continuously interact and influence each other. This interplay highlights the importance of creating positive, nurturing environments that encourage the modeling of constructive behaviors. Sociocultural learning theory, advanced by Vygotsky, underscores the idea that learning is a social process deeply rooted in cultural contexts. Vygotsky introduced the concept of the zone of proximal development, ZPD, which refers to the range of tasks a learner can perform with guidance but not yet independently. This principle emphasizes the role of more knowledgeable others, such as parents, teachers, or peers, in scaffolding a learner's development. For example, a teacher guiding a student through a complex math problem provides the support needed for the student to eventually solve similar problems independently. Language and dialogue play a crucial role in this process, serving as tools through which learners construct knowledge and internalize cultural norms. Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems theory further highlights the layered influences of social environments on learning and development. This theory identifies multiple systems, such as the microsystem, family, school, mesosystem, interconnections between microsystems, exosystem, indirect influences like parental workplaces, and macrosystem, cultural values and norms, that shape a child's experiences. For instance, a supportive school environment that encourages collaboration and respect can positively influence a student's self-esteem and academic engagement. At the same time, a family's cultural emphasis on education can motivate the child to prioritize learning. Interpersonal interactions are at the heart of these theories and principles, emphasizing the profound impact of quality relationships on learning outcomes. When learners experience stable, trusting, and caring relationships, they develop a sense of belonging and self-worth. For example, a teacher who creates a classroom climate where students feel safe to express themselves and make mistakes fosters not only academic growth but also emotional resilience. Positive relationships provide a foundation for learners to explore, take risks, and engage actively in the learning process. Collaboration and interaction in learning contexts allow individuals to develop critical cognitive and social skills. Group activities such as project-based learning or peer tutoring provide opportunities for perspective-taking and reflective thinking. These interactions align with Piaget's constructivist theory, which emphasizes the importance of active engagement and social experiences in fostering cognitive development. For example, a group of students working together to design a sustainable energy model might engage in debates, share diverse viewpoints, and reflect on their findings, leading to a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Educational implications for teachers are profound. To harness the power of social influences on learning, educators must create inclusive, collaborative, and culturally responsive environments. This involves structuring activities that encourage teamwork, respect diversity, and challenge students to think critically. For instance, Incorporating role-playing exercises in a history lesson can help students empathize with different perspectives and understand historical events more profoundly. Teachers can also use strategies like cooperative learning, where students work in small groups to achieve shared learning goals, fostering both academic and social development. Family and community also play vital roles in mitigating barriers to learning and reinforcing positive educational outcomes. Supportive family interactions, such as parents encouraging curiosity and persistence, can help children overcome challenges like test anxiety or negative beliefs about their abilities. Community involvement, such as mentorship programs or cultural workshops, can provide additional layers of support and inspiration. For example, a community center that organizes STEM workshops for underprivileged youth creates opportunities for collaborative learning and skill development that might otherwise be inaccessible. The significance of fostering positive social interactions extends to addressing individual differences in learning. Every learner has unique strengths, strategies, and experiences that influence how they process and retain information. Teachers can use differentiated instruction to accommodate these differences, ensuring that every student feels valued and supported. For instance, pairing a visual learner with an auditory learner during a group activity can lead to mutually beneficial collaboration, where each student contributes their strengths while learning from the other. In conclusion, the social influences on learning highlight the interconnectedness of relationships, interactions, and cultural contexts in shaping a child's development. By leveraging principles from social learning theory, sociocultural learning theory, and other FO.